If your little one fights you when you're trying to brush his teeth, even if you have one of these toddler toothbrushes, maybe the swivel toddler toothbrush will be just the ticket. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here, trying to brush Theo's teeth, and this is actually about as easy as it goes because sometimes he just starts getting mad, violent, thrashes. He hates it, and never gets easier than this. But I just picked up a toothbrush that is supposed to make this super simple and even fun for them. Let's see if he takes to it. All right, so here's the new toothbrush. Kind of looks like a mouth guard. It's got a big flat handle on it, but on this side right there, what we have is a silicone, basically a mouth guard with all of these little bristles on the inside. And what you do is you dab a little toothpaste inside of it, and then you let your kid bite down on it and you put it in their mouth, and then you just kind of move it. I don't think you have to move it much. I mean, you only want to move it like half a centimeter side to side because the bristles are going to work, you know, a little bit like this. I don't think you want to torque it like that. In fact, you'll probably jam this thing into the back of their mouth or their gums. So get them to bite on it and then just kind of move it back and forth. And now you're brushing all the teeth, top and bottom, all at the same time, and you're going to be done quicker, and it's going to be a lot easier. Hopefully. Let's try it out. Okay, go ahead. Bite down. Can you bite? Well, actually, you're not biting, but it's actually okay because I got your tops, and now I'm going to push it down. You're actually not fighting me nearly as much as you do with the little brush. Now I'm going to push this down on your bottom teeth and go back and forth. Look at that. Look at that. If you bite down, oh, look at that. Yeah, if you bite down, I'm getting both teeth. But even if you don't bite, I can just kind of move it to the top and bottom, and then just a little back and forth like that. The bristles go over the teeth. Wow. Good job, buddy. You kind of like it, huh? I also want to show you now that it's been a couple days, and you just love this toothbrush. You just put it in your mouth all the time now. So not only is it way more pleasurable than the original standard toothbrush, but now he actually wants to brush his teeth. It's kind of your new favorite toy, huh, buddy? All right, if you want to pick up this toothbrush, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda and Theo, out.